Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in today's video we will discuss Python modules. In simple words, Python module is a code library in which can store any code with a file extension. So a file containing a Python module is basically a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application. So further we can elaborate how to create a module. To create a module, just save the code you want in a file with the file extension .py. So to create a module, we will only save the file with .py extension. So let's see how to create a module. So here is an example. So we have a code which we will save with the my module.py extension. So here is that code. Definite the function greetings name print hello plus name. So here is our code which we will save to create it a module. So how we can use a module or import a module. So we can import a module by simply writing my module dot greetings parenthesis Jonathan. Jonathan is the name which is this one. So we have put Jonathan on in the place of that name. And that's how we can use the module. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.